I'm coming. I'm coming. Hold the bus. Hold the bus. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I hear my train coming. No, wait. Wait. Hold it. Wait. Wait. Stop. Stop. Hold the bus. Hold the bus. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming, Lord. Oh, there's a man. He's walking in front of me. Oh, no. Don't step on me. Oh, Huey missed me. Man, that was a lucky one. Anybody got some food over here? Anything. I'll take anything. Any handouts. Any handouts. You got chips, dip, a hot dog, a hamburger, sausages. Sausages. Oh, yeah. Yeah. No cigarettes. No cigarettes. Oh, there. Yeah. Hey, come on. The train's coming again. I better stay away from these tracks. Oh, no. Oh, it's my train. I'm missing my train. I'm not going to be able to make it home on time for the wife and the kids. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hey, oh, there's my other half. Man, I've been waiting all day for you here. Hey, thank goodness you made it. We got to catch the next train home. You realize that the workday is over? We're going to miss that connecting flight. Hurry up. Hello, hurry up, come on. Can't save time. Can't save time here in Prague. Hey, you better not be going up by those tracks. I told you not to go by those tracks. Look out, because here I come, here I come, here I come. Oh, there we go. Oh, no.